I feel like this is one of the faster redos in tech history. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com for Best Buy Canada's blog, and I reviewed the original Sennheiser Momentum truly wireless headphones just last spring, and now there is a brand new version. Sennheiser Momentum 2 has just been released, so I'm going to take a look at what it can do, how it sounds, what's different and new from the previous version, and whether it is a worthy investment or upgrade. And really heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give us a sub, because it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Sennheiser Momentum 2 truly wireless earbuds are designed to be a premium personal audio device. They come in a small cloth-wrapped charging case and are now available in white. So what is new here? There are 4 key changes to these earbuds. To start, they are ever so slightly smaller than the first generation Momentum, and Sennheiser promises this makes for a more comfortable fit. These were quite ear-filling before, and a lot of users posted they became uncomfortable quickly, so it is nice to see the revision. I found the fit was still pretty snug. Another addition, Momentum 2 now has active noise cancelling in addition to ambient mode or transparent hearing, which the originals had. More on both of those in just a second. The battery life has also been extended in a big way from 4 hours in the buds and 8 in the case to now 7 hours in the buds and 21 in the case. When I reviewed the Gen 1 version previously, this was a key complaint I had because at the price point these are at, I really felt like that prior battery life was pretty wimpy. Now these carry some of the longest life in truly wireless earbuds history. They also now have fast charging, which they didn't before. About 10 minutes should give you 90 minutes of listen time. Momentum 2 are also IPX4 splash resistant in their design. To access some of the features of these headphones, you need the Sennheiser Smart Control app. The Gen 1 version was buggy and couldn't always connect. This time, things seem to work much better. Inside the app, you can use the transparent hearing settings to determine how much ambient noise you want to let in. You can also customize your touch controls here too and adjust equalization settings to your preference. Getting these earbuds set up is quick. Just take them out of the case and push and hold one of the touchpads. You'll hear it say pairing. Go to the app and start the pairing process, and from there they're ready to go. You can also simply use the pairing process to connect your buds to your phone using Bluetooth and run it without the app. The new 7-hour battery life that can be extended to up to 28 hours with the charging case is pretty sweet. Charging time takes about an hour and a half for a full charge, and fast charging, I think like I mentioned, takes about 10 minutes for about an hour and a half worth of playtime. In my previous experience with these, there was a bug that essentially didn't let some of them shut off, ever. So the battery would drain overnight on you. Sennheiser actually replaced my original pair, and after that I had no issues. Fortunately, I am happy to say I have not seen any similar issues this time around. I tested the new Momentum 2 buds out with a variety of music, which I can't play for you because I don't want to get in trouble with copyright. Also, you can't hear what's going on inside my head, so telling how these sound is going to be a little difficult. If you do want to check out my test playlist on Spotify, it will be linked up here. This probably won't come as any surprise, but these sound awesome. The bass blew me away right from the first note. It's deep and powerful, but without being buzzy or bone-jarring. The vocals sound great, and overall, everything is really well balanced. I cannot make one complaint about the audio quality. I did notice, though, that the volume levels seemed a bit off, since I had to keep the volume at about 80% just to keep them at a moderate level inside my ears. Now let's talk listening features. 2 of the features included with these headphones are transparent hearing and noise cancelling. So let's start with the transparent hearing feature, also called ambient mode. This digitally lets some ambient noise into the earphones while still playing your music and keeping the buds in your ears. If you want to turn this feature on, you can tap the touch control panel on the right earbud twice or switch it on inside the app. This feature does indeed let you hear around you, and it's handy for commuters or for those concerned with safety. Noise cancellation, on the other hand, is the act of using digital signals to cancel out outside noise and stop it bleeding into your headphones. While transparent hearing is available on the main screen in the app, figuring out how to access noise cancelling is a lot less obvious. You actually need to go into the settings to turn it either on or off. Surprisingly, I didn't notice a lot of effect while this was on. While some other headphones that have noise cancelling features can really block out external noise, with these I could even still hear myself typing. The Momentum 2 earbuds will automatically detect whether they're in or out of your ear and pause accordingly. This is called Smart Pause. It worked quite well, and the music actually does a nice little fade instead of just stopping. Nice touch. There's also simple touch controls on each earbud, and you can customize what does what in the app. A common issue when using truly wireless earbuds with a phone is a lag when you're watching videos. In Gen 1 version, there was an intermittent lag. The Gen 2, though, seems to have resolved any issues. Overall, it seems to me Sennheiser has gone a long way to listening to the mistakes they made with the Momentum Generation 1, fixing them all, and then improving on the overall product. The setup is easy, the Smart Pause works great, ambient mode is helpful, the battery life is outstanding, and the sound quality is out of this world. On the downside, I didn't think the noise cancelling feature worked well at all, and I did feel like the fit overall was still pretty snug inside my ears. Even so, if you are looking for a premium pair of earbuds with all the bells and whistles, you're going to love the Sennheiser Momentum 2. If you want to read more, head over to blog.bestbuy.ca where we've posted a full write-up. You can ask us any questions you have about these headphones either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give us a sub, since it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can catch me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me through Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.